Hi, today we are talking about Michell Hotel, Alanya Antalya, Turkey. Michell Hotel opened its doors in April 2014, 5 kilometers far from Alanya town center on the edge of the Mediterranean Sea. It is situated at the feet of the Taurus Mountains in a natural environment right by the seashore and has a perfect view of Alanya center and castle. All rooms in Michell Hotel are decorated in modern style. There are electronic door locking systems and fire alarm systems, minibar, kettle, tea and coffee set, satellite LCD TV, shower and toilet hairdryer, telephone with a direct connection, split air conditioning. Twin or French bed in rooms for third-person sofa bed, electronic safe, balcony, bathroom accessories, all rooms in the main building with direct or side sea and land views. This luxury resort enjoys the benefit of a private stretch of beach, just 400 m from the hotel, and its ultra-modern design makes it a clear favorite. Michell Hotel provides an ideal mix of value, comfort and convenience. It offers a trendy setting with an array of amenities designed for travelers. The main restaurant serves international cuisine in open buffet style, and there is an a la carte restaurant serving European cuisine. Guests can enjoy a variety of local or imported alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages 24 hours a day.